Hey there, so today we're going to be talking about features of sinusoidal functions. We're going to be finding the midline, amplitude, and period of sinusoidal functions. So to start off, the midline is a horizontal line where half of the function is above it and half of the function is below it. So it's that line right that cuts the function right in half. So today we have 4 as a top line, top of our function, and -4 as the bottom. So what we're going to be doing is taking that 4 y-axis and subtracting it from -4. And then since there's 2 points, we're going to average it and divide it by 2. 4 minus 4 equals 0. And then 0 divided by 2 is going to give us 0. This average that we take in order to find the midline between our function is going to be y value. So y is going to equal 0. That's our midline. So right here I'll draw it. It's basically just the x-axis where y equals 0. Oop. There we go. Perfect. Next we're going to move on to the amplitude. The amplitude is how far above and how far below the function reaches from this line. So basically what that's saying is how far does this midline have to go up in order to reach that top point right there, or that highest point, and how long does this midline have to go down in order to reach the lowest point of the function. So since right here we're starting from 0 on the y-axis, we're going to go up 4, that's 4, going back this way, down 4, that's 4. So our amplitude is going to equal 4. Perfect. So the period is going to be the length. So the length of period is the distance between a point of the function which lies on the midline and another point in the same place on the function going in the same exact direction. This one is a little bit trickier, definitely. So with the period, we're going to choose a point on the midline in the function. We'll go with this one right here.
You're not doing that.
From there, we're going to go over on the other function on this side. Same midline. We're just going to jump over 1, 2, and see how it's the exact same point on this function, but on this side. Then we're going to bubble that. And that is our period.